Yo, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, I'm Ben Fisher, the owner and tattoo artist here at Inkrush. So if you're wanting to learn how to tattoo from the comfort of your own home, well in this lesson, I'm going to cover 5 things that you need to consider and show you where to get all the information that you need. Plus, at the end of this video, I'll be giving you a little bonus tip that could make a huge difference into your future in tattooing. The first thing that you need to consider is, what do I need to start? Well, you can spend as much or as little as you want in this area, but the list of things that you need is pretty small. There's actually only a few things that you need to get started, and that's basically a tattoo machine, power supply, needles, inks, ink cups, practice skin, and a few hygiene products. For a more detailed list and what I personally recommend, I've actually uploaded a video, best tattoo kits for beginners, that covers everything in a little bit more detail. The second thing is, who or what do I practice on? This is something I get asked regular, and I've seen people recommending all sorts of crazy things, but there's only one thing that I'd recommend practicing on, and that's practice skin. It's specifically designed for the job, and I think it's the closest thing to tattooing a person. Now, there's tons of brands out there, all at different price ranges and quality. Now, I've tried various different brands, and for me personally, one stood out far better than the rest, and that's Real Skin. Now, I've done a review on this practice skin, so if you want to go check the video out, it's called Best Practice Skin for Beginners. The third thing, how long should I spend practicing? Well, this is just one of the great things about learning how to tattoo from home, and that's that you can spend as little or as long as fits into your lifestyle. People in this generation are so busy with just life in general that when they want to learn something new, they're put off because they just can't find the time to do it. Well, learning how to tattoo from home means that you can do it anytime you want, for as long or as little as you want. I feel that the fastest way to learn is by doing little and often. So if you're doing 1 to 2 hours every day, then I think it's a lot more beneficial than ramming all those same hours into 1 day a week. Learn, practice, repeat. Point 4, where do I get all the information and lessons on how to tattoo? Well, you're in the right place. Right here on YouTube, there are tons of artists that share tips and advice for people just starting the tattoo career. Now, I personally think that when you are learning how to tattoo, you shouldn't jump from one thing to another. What I mean is, you shouldn't just spend 10 minutes watching a video on how to do line work, then jump onto another video to try and learn how to shade. I think to get the fastest and best results, you should learn tattooing step by step in an order where one lesson progresses onto the next. And you have the time in each area of tattooing to learn, practice and master that particular skill. Go check out the free snippet of one of my courses that I've been working on, Ben Fisher's Tattoo Method. Number 5, how do I know if I'm doing it right? This is the hardest thing for people when learning from home. How do you know if you're doing it right? When you're learning something, it's important to know that you're doing it right, even if that's just for a pat on the back to help build a bit of confidence. Some people need that constant reassurance that they're doing things correctly. And that's why, for anyone, subscribe to my channel and follow us along with my lessons or on one of my courses. I tell them, if you've got any direct questions or are unsure on anything, to just throw me a message to my Facebook page and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope these 5 tips helped you. But I want to give you just a little extra tip, call it a little bonus. Please, please, please do not tattoo people until you've mastered tattooing on the practice skins. Let me explain why. I want your career to be as successful as possible and for nothing to ruin it before it even gets going. When you first start learning how to tattoo, it's so tempting to tattoo your family or your friends because you're that eager to just get started on people. But these first tattoos, without the proper training, won't be that good. And I'm sure that's fair to say for most. Also, there is the health and safety side and legal side to think about. Every tattoo that you do is a walking advertisement. So you do a few tattoos on friends and family, then all these people love to show off the new tattoos and go show all the friends and tell them that you what person that did it. Now if these tattoos aren't to a high enough standard, then that's the reputation you're going to start building for yourself. So please don't tattoo people when you first start learning how to tattoo. This is so important if you're wanting to start building a reputable business. If you haven't already, make sure you press that subscribe button, followed by that little bell. It really does help support the channel and gives you a heads up when I upload new content. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.